Good evening, this is Rick Prosser from Stock Chart Sense, and today is March 23rd, and we're going to look at the two stocks we looked at previously, Amazon and Dollar Tree. Start with Amazon here. First of all, a couple things to point out with Amazon is this, yesterday we had a pretty lousy day in the market, yet, Amazon didn't do too bad. I mean, it wasn't high volume, but the key is the stock is closed right there. Well, it closed a little bit below the 200-day moving average. But here's the key you need to look at. Here it hit the 200-day moving average and it failed. Same with here, here, and here. And now it's actually penetrating through the 200-day moving average. And today it actually closed above the 200-day moving average, and it also closed on pretty decent volume. So again, what you need to notice is the pattern is different from the past here. It's way different, and that's key. So I still think Amazon goes. I mean, I can almost bet it's going to hit $200 for sure. Again, that's unless something goofy hits the market and everything sells off. But if the market stays the way it has been and there's nothing big it hits it to cause it to sell off, like we have a bomb go off somewhere or whatever, I think it's definitely going to hit 200. But I still honestly think I think it even goes higher than $200. And the reason I say that is for this reason. This thing has been basing since December. Look at that. It's just basing. It's just been put in a nice little base, and going up and then coming down and going up and then coming down. And as you can see, the Bollinger Bands are getting nice and tight right here. See how tight they are right there? And now those Bollinger Bands, they're starting to expand. This one's starting to go down and this one's starting to go up. So I can just really see this thing taking off, and then I could see it, it might pause here at $200, meander around a little bit here at $200, and then I could see it blasting off to the upside here. So I still think, 220, 230, I could see those those targets being hit at some point in the future. The other thing you got to remember here too is, this stock might meander around here for a little bit, but the key level I think is here is the 190 area. If it starts falling below 190 and falling back down into here, that could pose a problem. But so far it seems to be really holding this 190 area pretty good, which is good because remember, 190 is a point where people would buy or sell, and in this case it looks like every time it comes back to the 190 area they're buying it. So I still think Amazon looks to be good. Let's move on to Dollar Tree now, and we're not going to spend much time here. The bottom line, Dollar Tree I think is doing exactly what we want it to do there, and it's just going up. Don't be surprised if it doesn't pull back down to here. If you want to be involved in Dollar Tree, great. I think you can do that. I still think it's got the $100 mark on here. Again, unless something major hits the market, I can see $100 definitely being a price target on here. But again, keep some money management control in place here, because if this thing just starts to roll over and start heading down, you don't want to be in this thing as it goes down and down and down. Now it's sure not giving any signs that that's going to happen, but you never ever know. So you got to keep money management rules in place, and you have to have that or you're going to get yourself in trouble. But I still think Dollar General works. Well, that's it for today. Listen, if you want to be on my mailing list, please visit stockchartsense.com and sign up, and I'll send you an email when this video is available. And we'll talk to you soon. That's it. Bye.